It's me again, and today's lesson is on metric capacity. Capacity is the amount that a container can hold. And the units that we use for metric capacity are milliliters and liters. Remember, again, these are not the only metric capacity units, but these are the only two that we will focus on. So when you think about milliliters, close your eyes and try to imagine 20 drops of water. That's about the capacity of 1 milliliter. It's a very small amount. So think about an eyedropper or a bottle of eye drops. If you squeeze 20 drops onto a spoon, it wouldn't fill the whole spoon, but that would be about 1 milliliter. Okay, for a liter, that's about like a regular bottle of water that you would bring to school or the bottle of water that you drink. But don't confuse that with a 2-liter bottle of soda. So sometimes people will say, I'm going to get a 2-liter of Pepsi. That's a soda bottle from the store that you would buy, that you would have in your fridge, and you would pour some into a cup. That is 2 liters. So a water bottle is about 1 liter. And if you have 1,000 milliliters, that equals the same as 1 liter. Okay, let's look at some things that we can measure the capacity of. So which metric unit would be best to use to measure the capacity of the smoothie you just made in the blender? So you're making a smoothie. Yeah, it would probably be measured in liters. And do you think that smoothie would have a capacity of 50 liters or 1 liter? Yeah, it would be about 1 liter. Okay, which metric unit would be best to use to measure the capacity of a teacup? So a little small teacup, would that be milliliters or liters? Yes, milliliters is correct. And do you think that the best estimate for the teacup would be 180 milliliters or 900 milliliters? Remember that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So is that teacup going to be close to 1 liter or smaller? Probably be about 180 milliliters. Now let's think about which metric unit would be the best to measure the capacity of a test tube. A test tube is a little small glass tool or instrument that a scientist would use in a lab when he's conducting an experiment. So that would be measured in milliliters. And do you think that little tube would hold, it's half full, would it hold 50 milliliters or 300 milliliters? Yeah, half full, its capacity would probably be about 50 milliliters. And that's all for today's lesson on metric capacity.